All right, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Happy 2025. Let's go make some money. So right now we've got Interactive Brokers is one of the stocks that's in my on deck list. I've got 23 stocks on this list, and it's kind of my short list. I would call it the short list, but then people would say like, oh, you give me the list of stocks that you're going to short. And that's not what this is about. You don't make very much money shorting stocks. But when I look at Interactive Brokers, this is what I see. I see big institutional buying back here. No other way around it. Decline, pull back, hit the 50, boom, well over twice average volume. This is institutional buying on the Friday before Christmas. So the institutions made a stand there, and then the stock's up a bit. It's pulled back. And then now today, they're back again buying, not like they were then, but this is a high volume day on a crappy market day. And this stock is up 3.3%. So I'll make this short and sweet. This is really the way you can frame this trade if you like the stock. Maybe even keep your stop below this day's intraday low, 173.59. So keep your stop at like 173.55. So it's slightly below the 50-day moving average, but more importantly, what it is below today's intraday range. And your reason for buying the stock today, or because of what happened today, is, hey, buyers are coming in here, they're taking this stock. How will I know I'm wrong? Well, I'm wrong if the stock falls below everything that was happening today. That tells me that, okay, well, this stock isn't, maybe it's still going to be a good stock, but it's not quite ready to take off. And so then I would take my position off the table and then wait. So if you're taking this stock, you may want to consider a stop like that, something like that. And then, hey, man, we just need to see this move a little bit higher. Okay. So, by the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, why don't you make it your New Year's resolution to start making some money for a change? The market's not going to be as nice to you as it was in 2024 or in 2023. We've had a couple of banner years here. 2025 ain't going to be that great. I can assure you that. And so you're going to need every edge that you can get in order to stay positive and make money and learn and continue to improve as a trader. So I know, why don't you do it with me? Okay. You get a free trial, 14 days. I don't see what the problem is. Okay. I'll see you guys on the other side.